Asian Americans make up the fourth largest ethnic group in the United States. Despite making up about 6% of the population and being the fastest growing ethnic group in the country, Asian Americans have a tendency to be overlooked. With Asians being the third largest ethnic group in Minnesota, integrating AAPI history into our state's education system is essential. Without it, lots of important stories and cultures will be forgotten.
We have Native American history in our school, we have African American history in our school. Where is the Asian American history in our school?
History is important as it allows us to realize the mistakes of our past. Upon acknowledging the mistakes of the past, we can change our future to make it brighter and better. This applies to AAPI history.
According to an AAPI data poll, 1 in 3 Asian Americans face racial abuse in 2023.
Integrating AAPI into our education system is important as it exposes students of all races to untold stories and cultures of Asian Americans. It also helps students remember its important contribution to our society that were made by Asian Americans.
So far, 8 states have signed a bill that incorporates AAPI history into the curriculum of their schools. Please help us make Minnesota the 9th state by supporting AAPI youth voices and the AAPI community.
Tear down the walls and let our history be remembered.
Every voice counts.
Our history is important for future generations to remember.
Education is the foundation.
Make our stories known.